Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we'll be talking about is the bike. Meet the Honda Unicorn, a motorcycle that blends timeless design with reliable performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance rider, the Honda Unicorn is engineered to deliver smooth rides and lasting comfort. The Unicorn is designed with a premium and practical approach. Its stylish, aggressive headlamp, a 3D Honda emblem, and bold body lines give it a strong presence on the road. At the heart of the Honda Unicorn is a 162.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that produces smooth and reliable power. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Unicorn delivers excellent performance with refined stability. Thanks to its advanced monoshock suspension, the Unicorn offers superior handling and ride comfort. Paired with telescopic front suspension, this bike can take on potholes and rough roads effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Comfort is a key highlight of the Unicorn. The bike's upright riding position, wide seat, and ergonomically designed handlebars provide long-distance comfort, making it perfect for both city commutes and long road trips. The analog-digital meter console on the Unicorn is a perfect blend of tradition and technology, offering essential information like fuel level and speed in a clear and easy-to-read format. For those who seek reliability, comfort, and a stylish ride, the Honda Unicorn is the ultimate companion. It's a machine built for everyday performance, backed by Honda's legendary reliability. Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.